How to add music to Notes Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to add music to Notes Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just proceed to our Instagram app right here. Then once you're in here, just click on this inbox icon that you have on your Instagram. And now once you're here, you can see these notes, right? So in here you can see the note, so you can just click on this plus icon right here in order to add a note. So from in here you can just add in a note, for example, happy day, and then from in there you can see that I have added a note, and you can also add music, but on some cases the song you choose might not be available in all countries. So what you need to do is to just wait for this until it becomes available to you. Another method that you can do is to head over to your Play Store or App Store, and then from in there just search for Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is on the latest version in order to add music to the notes. So once you have done everything right there, what you need to do is to just wait for everything, and then once it's available to you, you can now share the notes that you have on your Instagram with the music that you want. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add music to Notes Instagram. If you have guys comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.